And we're back to learning Affinity in a year day 15. Let us create an atom icon to practice using the ellipse tool. Just right click on this box, select it, left click drag. I'm gonna set the stroke weight to 10 points. As a color, I'm gonna use this darker bluish one. It's just a basic swatch. And we want to set the fill to none. So that way we get rid of the white fill. Now select it, hold Alt and then left click drag, copy out of there. When you rotate it, hold Shift and make it 45 degrees. If you drag it back into position, the smart guides will help you finding the center. Then again hold Alt, drag a copy out of there, rotate it once more, back to 0 and then to minus 45, so 45 degrees in the other direction. Reposition it. Once again the smart guides help you. Next up, we'll reselect the ellipse. You can also left click here and left click on the icon. When you drag it, hold Shift. This gives you a perfect circle. Let me set the stroke to none for now. And I pick a different color here, maybe like a reddish orange tone, something like that. Put that in center. I drag a copy out of there, once again holding Alt. I size it down holding Shift. So these are supposed to be our electrons. So I make them smaller and have them different fill colors. And I create two more using this method. So always hold Alt, drag copies out of existing elements. Let me rotate the entire thing. And maybe it looks better if we add a stroke color here to these three elements. Let me try with the first one. And I'm going to keep that to 10 points. 5 points is a little bit too low, I think. So I'm going to have the same stroke weight that I've got for these orbit elements, and I use the same color. And that's it. Once again, let me rotate it a little bit to the other side, like so. And this would be one way to create an atom icon in Affinity. Try it out yourself to get some practice using the ellipse tool, and then come back for the next tutorial. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.